Hello, my friend. It's very important to let the wind blow through your hair, my friend. It's very important to watch the birds flying in the sky, to see the sun coming up and going down. It's very important to remember that you are part of nature. And no matter what you do, no matter where you are, when you lose track of that, my friend, you've got a problem. Because nature is your background, is your essence, is what you are. And nature is what will always rally round when you're in need, and which will reset the calibration on your life. And when you recalibrate your life, it all feels so much better. Things start falling into place. Instead of everything feeling out of sync, you start to experience that wonderful sensation of things being in sync. And when they are in sync, you know what to do, you know where to go, you know how to be and how to move, what to care about and what not to care about. You feel like you belong again. Because belonging, at the end of the day, my friend, is not just about belonging with other people. It is about belonging to yourself. And it is belonging to what you love. And it is belonging to nature. And it is belonging to the world. And beyond that, it is belonging to eternity, to the universe. At the end of the day, my friend, that's who you are, a child of the universe. And when you reconnect to that feeling and you allow yourself to be completely in sync with that, everything looks up, everything reconnects, everything looks self-evident, and you will know who you are, and you will know what it is that life is asking of you, especially of you, nobody else, just you, my friend. So ask yourself what you want to do. You want to stay lost in a world that has been artificially created for you? Or do you want to return to where you came from, which is from the essence of the natural world and whatever is beyond that? And there is clearly so much beyond that. So realign, reconnect, and do it every day, and your life will suddenly find itself back in its way. It will become like a dance rather than like a duty. It will become like something you enjoy rather than something that feels like has been imposed on you. So release yourself from your troubles by simply remembering who you are and where your balance, your support, and your sense of purpose will come from. Take care, my friend. Be well.